Hello guys, Guilherme is here. So at this today's video, I wanted to show you how can you use the select distinct statement in the SQL Server. And please, if you are here watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because it helped me a lot, and it will give you more and more videos about data. Okay, so let's get started. And about the distinct statement, what distinct statement do is show only the distinct values in some column. So in our example here, I can show you that all database is from sales, and I want to show now if I want to show only the distinct customers that I have in my table, I will use the distinct statement. For example, I can use select distinct just for the name of your column. From so check that. Where here we have our database. When we use the distinct statement, he will filter and show only the distinct values for every type of customers here. So it's very easy, very simple to use. And if you didn't know, tell me in the comments below. And thank you for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button.